Ever wondered how to bridge the gap between your academic learning and the real-world corporate dynamics? It's a common dilemma, especially for management students. The challenge lies in applying theoretical knowledge to practical situations. The dynamics of strategy formulation, marketing, operations, HR, and finance in the corporate world can be quite different from what you've learned in class. The transition can indeed be daunting, but what if there was a tool to help you navigate this journey? Enter AiIBIS Milestone, your bridge from academia to the corporate world. This immersive learning tool empowers you to deploy business strategies in a simulated corporate environment. You'll have access to a wealth of data for industry analysis, competitor analysis, and market survey insights. This tool helps you understand your industry and leverage functional specializations such as marketing, operations, HR, and finance. It's all about adopting relevant strategies and reaching developmental milestones. With AiIBIS Milestone, you graduate from being a management student to a corporate strategist. So, what does a journey with AiIBIS Milestone look like? Imagine yourself as part of one of 7 corporate teams, each tackling various business segments. Your tools? Functional specializations like marketing, operations, HR, and finance. Your guide? A wealth of embedded data on industry analysis, competitor analysis, and market survey insights. Your task? To craft and apply effective business strategies. This is the essence of the AiIBIS Milestone experience. It's all about understanding your industry, strategizing, and reaching developmental milestones. The benefits of AiIBIS Milestone go beyond just bridging the gap. It offers an immersive, hands-on experience, giving you a deeper understanding of corporate dynamics. You'll develop strategic thinking skills, addressing multiple business segments with an appropriate strategy. Key result indicators, such as revenue growth, market share, and profit, are measured to provide a comprehensive business perspective. This tool transforms you from a management student into a future leader ready to tackle the challenges of the corporate world. With AiIBIS Milestone, you're not just a management student, you're a future leader in the making.